This is the elevator at the Dining Commons building at Chatham University Eden Hall campus in Gibsonia/Richland Township, Pennsylvania. Case file in those elevators is the Schindler 3300 with FIGL fixtures from 2016 early. New lantern, interesting. Basement. Turn it down. Here's the basement. We'll go back up to 1 and 1R. Case 5 nose elevators, Schindler, basic stainless steel cab. I think 1R opens directly into a kitchen, so we're not going to get off there. ADA fine for new elevators. This is the only elevator in the building. Here back at 1. Here's the kitchen. Closes, now it's going to be a